There's no reason to buy an expensive brood box when raising baby chicks. All you'll need is 2 large cardboard boxes. Start by cutting a hole between the 2 boxes. Once you have the hole, you'll push that flap all the way down and secure it on the other side with tape. This will allow the chickens to move freely from one box to the other. One side of the box will be heated, the other side will not. After that, you'll add your wood shavings. These can be easily removed when the chickens start soiling the shavings. Once your baby chickens hatch, or once you pick them up from the store, you can immediately start putting them in the box. You'll need a heat source. I just use a heat lamp that I've always attached to my laundry room cupboards, but you can also buy heat plates if you feel safer with those. One side of the box, they stay warm, and when they get a little too warm, they'll go over to the cooler side where you'll keep the food and water. This is a great and inexpensive way to raise baby chicks.